Okay, now that we have our sample loaded up, we're going to run the test. We're going to check once again on the camera, right in the center of the gemstone. All we do is hit start. Now there's an internal database that Elvatech has built, and you'll see it come up with the result. There, 98% match emerald. Now, what is really interesting, you can take a picture of this with your phone or whatever and load it to ChatGPT or Gemini, and they're 99% on the second scan. Also, when you're doing that, you want to show AI the spectrum report, and it'll compare that to all the data out there, and it'll give you an idea of origin with composition of Colombia versus Zambia. And this is a Zambia now. I already know that, but it's something good to know. Now, in the training, they're going to show you. I'm going to try and trick this and run it again. Let me see. The machine's really well made, but sometimes there's a safety feature. You'll see a little piece of foil hanging down that covers up a sensor in here. Sometimes that foil gets pushed around by your sample, and it'll keep saying sample not detected, sample not detected. Simply, they told me in the training, cover that sensor up with a penny or a quarter. It will not interfere with the reading. And
he's done.
Let me demonstrate that. This is that sensor right here beneath your camera, simply while you're using it.
You just put it on there? And
I've seen other owners cover it up with tape and what have you. There are multiple safety features on this. This is the foil I'm talking about. But again, they're going to explain all this to you in trade. You're spending the money for this machine. Do the training, have the warranty. I can't say that enough. We both learned so much. Chris at Elvatech was wonderful. He talked to Igor. He's a wealth of knowledge. We probably spent 3 hours on training. They take their time. They have to get your computer and
walk you through the system.
Also install the system.
Yeah, they're very thorough. I like that.
Yes, I mean, these machines, we got ours on a discount. We spent around $30,000. I think as of today, for this model, it's right around $37,000. But don't quote me on that. These machines are probably the most advanced on the market. They do a lot of light elements, which, XRMs have always struggled. So I really recommend this. We've had other XRMs. This is a world better. This is the brand new tech. So as we continue to learn this, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us. You can connect with us on social media. We're there. Thank you.
Bye.